cutting slits into the body so the seasoning can get into it better, get inside it instead of just on the skin.
Yum, yum.
Now we're going to season the fish.
Now we're gonna season the
Season.
So yummy. It's fish.
You have to get inside the crack.
That's a lot of
Wow, Nia.
seasoning.
Now we flip it over to season the other side. This is my best.
Yum, yum. Look how yummy it is. It's getting seasoned. And that is fish.
Space is covered. Everything is covered.
His
It looks
face
so nice,
is
doesn't it?
Covered.
Now we're putting some peppers on it
Covered. Now we're
for
gonna
extra
put
flavour.
peppers on it. Now we're
Looks so beautiful, doesn't it?
going.
Now put some spray oil on it so it can cook.
Yeah. Look how yummy. Without that white stuff. Yum, yum.
Now we need to wrap it up so it will steam inside of the barbecue.
Now we need to inside the bag. Daddy,
Hold it
can
up,
I
nice and
show
snug.
them the
We'll need it.
barbecue?
You need foil because the foil will keep it nice and hot.
Can I show them the barbecue?
So we're just applying more and more coats of foil till it's ready to go into the barbecue. That's now.